Have you ever heard of sudden strokes or heart attacks where the victims had no prior signs of illness? They could be ordinary, healthy individuals, but within just a few minutes, their lives are at risk. The leading cause behind these events is blood clots, a risk that could silently exist in your body without you even knowing. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, blood clots are one of the leading causes of death worldwide, contributing to over 10 million deaths each year. The frightening thing is, most people don't know they are at risk until it's too late. Blood clots can form anywhere in the circulatory system, in arteries, veins, or even in small capillaries. Once they block blood flow, the consequences can be severe. If it occurs in the brain, stroke. If it occurs in the heart attack. If it occurs in the lungs, pulmonary embolism, leading to acute respiratory failure. But here's some good news. This risk can be controlled and prevented if we understand and apply the right nutrition. And that's what today's video is all about. Many people think that clotting is a natural process of the body that helps us stop bleeding when we get injured. This is true, but the problem arises when blood clots form in unwanted places, causing dangerous consequences. According to the Mayo Clinic, diet is one of the most important factors influencing the risk of blood clot formation. What you eat daily can account for up to 80% of this risk. We already know that foods high in fats, sugars, and salt can damage blood vessels and stimulate blood clot formation. But there are certain foods that can break down blood clots, improve circulation, and protect the cardiovascular system, especially fruits. Today, we will explore 7 types of fruits scientifically proven to help dissolve blood clots, improve blood circulation, and protect arteries. This isn't just medical information, but a secret to help you and your loved ones prevent the risks of heart attacks and strokes. You may be thinking, can just eating fruit prevent blood clots? The answer is yes, but that's not all. Scientific studies have shown that certain fruits can act as warriors to cleanse the blood vessels, break down blood clots, and support healthy circulation. If you regularly consume these fruits, the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and pulmonary embolism can be significantly reduced. So, what are these fruits? Let's find out now. Number 1. Pineapple, source of bromelain enzyme that helps dissolve blood clots. Pineapple is not only a delicious fruit but also a superfood that helps protect the cardiovascular system due to its bromelain content, a special enzyme capable of breaking down blood clots, reducing inflammation, and supporting effective blood circulation. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, AJCN, bromelain in pineapple can break down fibrin, a crucial protein involved in blood clot formation. This process is similar to breaking apart the glue that binds platelets together, thereby allowing blood to flow more smoothly and reducing the risk of vascular blockage. Other studies, including research from Harvard Medical School, also show that bromelain can prevent platelet aggregation, helping to prevent excessive clotting, reduce inflammation in the arteries, thus limiting plaque formation and the risk of blockages, help dissolve blood clots in individuals at high risk of cardiovascular disease. This is especially important for individuals at high risk of cardiovascular disease, including those with high cholesterol or arteriosclerosis, those with a history of stroke, heart attack, or pulmonary embolism, people who sit for long periods, are inactive, especially office workers or those taking long-haul flights. A study published in the International Journal of Hematology showed that individuals who consumed bromelain from pineapple for 3 consecutive weeks had a noticeable improvement in blood circulation and a significant reduction in fibrin levels in the blood, the main factor responsible for blood clot formation. In addition, a study from the German Institute of Preventive Medicine also found that bromelain can reduce the risk of blood clots by up to 30% in individuals with a history of cardiovascular issues when included in their daily diet. Another notable benefit of bromelain is its anti-inflammatory effect. Vascular inflammation is one of the main causes of blood clot formation. When the body is inflamed, blood vessels are more prone to damage, providing conditions for platelets to stick and form clots. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation and prevents this process, thereby minimizing the risk of blood clotting. Number 2. Pomegranate, Powerful antioxidant that protects the heart. Pomegranate has long been known as a superfood that boosts cardiovascular health thanks to its high content of powerful antioxidants. Not only does it help cleanse blood vessels, but it also supports the breakdown of blood clots, reduces inflammation, and prevents the formation of arterial plaque. Cardiologists note that the main cause of blood clots is not just the aggregation of platelets but also the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. When LDL is oxidized, it damages the blood vessel walls, creating conditions for plaque to form, narrowing the arteries, and increasing the risk of blood clot formation. Pomegranate is one of the few fruits that contains polyphenols, a group of powerful antioxidants capable of preventing LDL oxidation, while also helping to cleanse the blood vessels and reduce arterial inflammation. The main benefits of pomegranate for the cardiovascular system include cleansing plaque from the arteries, helping blood flow more easily, preventing LDL oxidation, reducing the risk of arteriosclerosis, supporting the breakdown of blood clots, helping prevent strokes and heart attacks, improving blood pressure due to natural nitrates that help relax blood vessels. Recent studies have shown that pomegranate is not only beneficial for cardiovascular health but also one of the best fruits for preventing blood clots. Research from Harvard Medical School found that people who drank pomegranate juice daily for 3 months reduced their arterial plaque by 30%. The polyphenols in pomegranate help reduce oxidized LDL levels by up to 90%, thereby preventing blood clot formation. Blood vessels become more elastic, helping reduce the risk of high blood pressure and heart attacks. Another study from the California Cardiovascular Institute also showed that patients with coronary artery disease who added pomegranate juice to their daily routine significantly improved blood flow to the heart, reducing the risk of angina and stroke. What's particularly interesting is that the benefits of pomegranate come not only from its juice but also from its seed peel, which contains a large amount of flavonoids and tannins, two compounds that can prevent platelet aggregation. Number 3. Oranges improve blood circulation and protect cardiovascular health. Oranges are not only a common fruit but also a superfood for the cardiovascular system. Thanks to their high content of flavonoid hesperidin and vitamin C, oranges help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and enhance blood vessel elasticity. Oranges provide multiple benefits for cardiovascular and circulatory health due to the following active ingredients. Hesperidin flavonoid, shield to protect blood vessels. Hesperidin is a flavonoid found in oranges, extensively researched for its ability to protect blood vessel walls, reduce inflammation, and act as an antioxidant. According to research from the Institute of Nutrition and Aging in the United States, hesperidin helps reduce blood viscosity, thus limiting the formation of blood clots and improving blood flow to vital organs. Some studies also suggest that hesperidin may help lower mild blood pressure, assisting those at high risk of cardiovascular disease in maintaining more stable blood vessel health. Vitamin C, strong antioxidant, strengthens arterial health. Oranges are one of the best natural sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C promotes collagen formation, making blood vessel walls more elastic and less prone to damage, an important factor in reducing the risk of blood clots forming due to vascular damage. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people who supplemented with adequate vitamin C had a 25% lower risk of heart disease compared to those with deficiencies. Natural fiber reduces cholesterol and prevents arteriosclerosis. Oranges contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help reduce LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, thus preventing the formation of plaque in the arteries. When cholesterol is well controlled, the risk of blood clots and blood vessel blockages is significantly reduced. According to Johns Hopkins School of Medicine, people who consume flavonoid hesperidin and vitamin C from oranges daily have a 19% lower risk of stroke compared to those who do not. Another study from the American Heart Association, AHA, also indicates that regularly consuming fresh orange juice significantly reduces vascular inflammation and improves blood circulation, especially in people at high risk of heart disease. A study in the European Heart Journal showed that people who drink fresh orange juice daily have an average blood pressure lower by March 5 mmHg compared to those who do not. LDL cholesterol levels decrease by about 10% after 6 weeks of regular orange consumption. Signs of inflammation in the body also significantly decrease, reducing the risk of blood clot formation. This shows that oranges not only help cleanse blood vessels but also naturally help prevent cardiovascular disease. Number 4. Lemons, natural blood thinner helping prevent blood clots. Lemons are not only a common fruit in cooking but also a powerful natural remedy for supporting cardiovascular health. With their high citric acid content, lemons help thin the blood, prevent platelet aggregation, and improve blood circulation. This is one of the most effective foods for reducing the risk of blood clots that you can easily incorporate into your daily diet. Blood clots form when platelets in the blood stick together and create a fibrin network to stop bleeding. However, when this process occurs inside blood vessels without necessary damage, it can lead to blood vessel blockages and result in stroke, heart attack, or pulmonary embolism. Lemons can help prevent this process by thinning the blood. The citric acid in lemons helps reduce blood viscosity, allowing for easier blood flow. Preventing platelet aggregation. Some plant compounds in lemons inhibit platelet activity, helping to reduce the risk of blood clot formation. Improving endothelial function. Vitamin C and flavonoids in lemons protect the lining of blood vessels, reducing the risk of inflammation and arteriosclerosis. According to a study published in the European Journal of Cardiology, consuming citric acid-rich foods like lemons can reduce the risk of thrombotic stroke by up to 24%. A study from Harvard University showed that individuals who regularly consumed lemon juice had significantly lower blood viscosity compared to those who did not. This suggests that lemons can help improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots. Another study from the German Institute of Preventive Medicine also found that daily consumption of lemon juice reduced the risk of deep vein thrombosis by 20 to 30%, a dangerous type of blood clot that often appears in the legs and can travel to the lungs. Furthermore, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, AJCN, flavonoids in lemons can help increase blood vessel elasticity, limiting the buildup of plaque, the main cause of heart attacks and strokes. These findings confirm that lemons not only help prevent blood clots but also provide comprehensive protection for the cardiovascular system. 5. Kiwi reduces blood pressure and blood clot risk. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit, rich in vitamin E, vitamin C, potassium, and serotonin, which helps support blood circulation, naturally thin the blood, and prevent blood clots. It is an excellent choice for those who want to improve cardiovascular health naturally. Blood clots form when platelets in the blood stick together excessively, especially when blood vessels are damaged or inflamed. However, factors such as high blood pressure, stress, and bad cholesterol can increase the risk of unwanted blood clotting. Kiwi can help manage this process through the following mechanisms. Vitamin E, natural blood thinner. Vitamin E in kiwi helps inhibit platelet aggregation, preventing blood clots from forming in blood vessels. A study from the American Journal of Cardiology showed that individuals who consume vitamin E-rich foods have a 20% lower risk of stroke compared to those deficient in vitamin E. Serotonin improves blood circulation and reduces stress. Serotonin in kiwi has vasodilatory effects, helping to increase blood flow to vital organs such as the heart and brain. In addition, serotonin helps reduce stress and stabilize blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of blood clots caused by prolonged stress. Potassium regulates blood pressure and reduces arterial blockages. Kiwi is one of the richest fruits in potassium, helping to balance blood pressure and reduce pressure on blood vessels. According to the American Heart Association, individuals with a potassium-rich diet have a 27% lower risk of stroke. A study from the European Journal of Nutrition revealed that individuals who ate 2 kiwis per day for 8 weeks had an average blood pressure 4 mmHg lower compared to those who did not consume kiwi. LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, dropped by about 15%, reducing the risk of arteriosclerosis. Platelet aggregation in the blood significantly decreased, indicating that kiwi naturally thins the blood. Another study from the University of Oslo, Norway, showed that individuals who regularly ate kiwi had an 18% lower risk of blood clots compared to those who did not. These results prove that kiwi not only helps reduce blood pressure but also effectively supports the prevention of blood clots. Number 6. Strawberries prevent arteriosclerosis and support blood circulation. Strawberries are not only a delicious fruit but also a superfood for cardiovascular health. Thanks to their high content of anthocyanins, vitamin C, and flavonoids, strawberries help protect blood vessels, prevent arteriosclerosis, and reduce the risk of blood clots. Arteriosclerosis is one of the main causes of blood clots, heart attacks, and strokes. When LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, is oxidized, it forms plaques in the arteries, narrowing the vessel walls and obstructing blood flow. If one of these plaques ruptures, it can trigger the formation of a blood clot, blocking blood flow to the heart or brain. Strawberries help combat this process through the following mechanisms. Anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect blood vessels. Anthocyanins are antioxidants found in red and purple fruits, particularly abundant in strawberries. According to a study from Harvard University, anthocyanins help reduce inflammation in blood vessel walls, prevent plaque formation, and protect endothelial cells in blood vessels. Another study from the American Journal of Cardiology found that individuals who consume foods rich in anthocyanins have a 32% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who do not. Flavonoids help thin the blood and improve circulation. Flavonoids in strawberries help reduce blood viscosity, limit platelet aggregation, and improve blood circulation. This is especially important in reducing the risk of blood clots, one of the main causes of strokes. Vitamin C enhances blood vessel elasticity and reduces LDL cholesterol. Strawberries are one of the best natural sources of vitamin C, which helps enhance collagen formation, keeping blood vessels elastic and healthy. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, AJCN, vitamin C can help lower LDL levels in the blood, preventing the process of arteriosclerosis. Research from Harvard Medical School shows people who eat at least 3 servings of strawberries per week have a 34% lower risk of heart attacks compared to those who eat fewer of them. Anthocyanins help reduce blood pressure and improve circulation, reducing the risk of stroke and coronary artery disease. Another study from the European Heart Journal shows regularly eating strawberries improves blood vessel elasticity by up to 20%, reducing the risk of high blood pressure and stroke. Individuals who supplemented with flavonoids from strawberries had 12% lower LDL cholesterol levels after 8 weeks of consumption. These results demonstrate that strawberries not only help reduce the risk of arteriosclerosis but also support optimal circulatory system function. Number 7. Black grapes, compounds that protect the heart and reduce the risk of blood clots. Black grapes are not only a delicious fruit but also a natural supermedicine that helps protect cardiovascular health, improve blood circulation, and reduce the risk of blood clots. Especially, this fruit contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant compound that has been shown to clean arteries and effectively prevent strokes. Blood clots and plaque buildup in the arteries are 2 main causes of strokes and heart disease. When platelets in the blood stick together and form a blood clot, they can obstruct the flow of blood to the brain and heart, leading to heart attacks or strokes. Black grapes help counteract this process through the following mechanisms. Resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps clean arteries. Resveratrol is a polyphenol found in the skin of black grapes, known for its ability to reduce inflammation, prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, and protect blood vessels from damage. According to research from Harvard Medical School, resveratrol can help prevent the formation of blood clots by inhibiting platelet activity. Additionally, resveratrol helps dilate the arteries, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of clotting. Flavonoids enhance blood vessel health and reduce blood pressure. Flavonoids in black grapes help enhance blood vessel elasticity, reducing the risk of arteriosclerosis. According to the American Heart Association, AHA, individuals who consume flavonoids from foods like black grapes have a 15% lower risk of high blood pressure compared to those who do not. Anthocyanins help lower bad cholesterol and prevent arterial blockages. Anthocyanins are compounds that give black grapes their dark purple color, which help reduce inflammation and protect endothelial cells in blood vessels. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, AJCN, individuals who regularly consume anthocyanins have lower LDL cholesterol levels and a significantly reduced risk of heart disease. According to research from the University of California, resveratrol in grapes can reduce the risk of stroke by up to 30% by inhibiting the formation of blood clots and improving blood circulation. Individuals who regularly eat black grapes have an average blood pressure 5 mmHg lower than those who do not. Resveratrol also helps increase the production of nitric oxide, NO, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and prevent high blood pressure. Another study from Harvard Medical School also shows that resveratrol can reduce inflammation in blood vessel walls and protect the brain from damage caused by strokes. Additionally, according to the European Heart Journal, red wine, a rich source of resveratrol from grapes, can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 25% if consumed in moderation. These results confirm that black grapes not only help prevent blood clots but also provide comprehensive protection for the cardiovascular system. After learning about 7 types of fruits that help prevent blood clots and protect cardiovascular health, it is clear that making simple changes to your diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and thrombosis. By simply adding these 7 fruits to your daily meals, you can greatly reduce the risk of dangerous diseases and help your body become healthier every day. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Spread this knowledge to more people. You can help your loved ones protect their heart health just by sharing this video. The more people know, the more lives are saved. Be the one to spread useful knowledge. Click the share button now to spread this important message. Be sure to subscribe to the channel now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more interesting health knowledge.